Hey, every so often I get people asking me to give them a tour of my in-house studio. I thought I'd do that right now to show you kind of the gear I have in case you want to adopt some of the techniques I use in order to do videos like these. You can see I'm shooting this straight from an iPhone, not a really big deal, but here's the studio. You can kind of take a peek. This is a teleprompter. It also serves as a camera that I look into when I do video interviews with CNN, which happen occasionally. You can see the whole setup here. This right here is a big white box that has diffuse lighting to make sure that it kind of softens the edges on things. I have a really high-end microphone here, kind of softens my voice and gives it the resonance that I'm looking for. All of this gear is designed to be set up so that you can take a look at things and enjoy what I have to offer in terms of the video. I even have an overhead camera. Hello, overhead camera. I hope that's helpful to you. Feel free to take any of these ideas, use them for yourself. My name is Jamie Turner. These are the unspoken rules of leadership.